Good morning, world. Time check, it's 8:15 and it's January 19. Official working day for 2020. Inaantok pa. Ewan ko, wala. Ang tulog ko only 4 hours. January 19 and it's our first working day for the year 2020. I'm in school now. Our time in was 8 o'clock and we were late for 2 minutes because I need to drop Liam. So, and we will be having our first meeting for the year at 8:30. So magmumuni-muni ako muna. I'm trying to sink in the truth that it's already working days. Then gone were the days that I can sleep at 3 a.m. and wake up at 10 a.m. in the morning the next day. So today is a working day, working week. Then the next week would be official school days with students. Yan lang muna for now. I'll take you with me for our first day of work for 2020. So this is where we were having our meeting, starting from 8:30 up to now, and it's already 11 o'clock. And these are the things that we had talked about. We started with... Where did we start? So we started with all of these things. That's how our principal worked. This is what we had tackled already for just few hours. And this is how the hallway looks like. All the cubbies are open. And my classroom is still my classroom. And I want to work with all of this mess. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to start. So what will I do next? That's the question. I have 2 hours to work in my classroom, and let's see what I can do. Help me with all this stuff, please. If only, yeah? Dito naman tayo sa malungkot na tanghalian. Ayan, mag-isa na naman ako. At ito yung aking pagkain. Asa na? Ayaw bumaba. Ayun. Carrots, adobo, broccoli. Yun lang. Kasi pasukan na naman. At nag-iisa na naman ako. Wala pang mga people. Bukas, madami kami bukas. Inshallah. Ganyan lang kaingay yung mga tao. Asa na? Asa na? Ang ingay, ang ingay. Sige, sige, sige.
Oy, isama mo kami, girl.
Ay! Ang iingay. Sunil, where are you?
Oh, what's this?
Okay, what can you say about the first day of school?
Excellent go.
Really? Okay.
That's really cool.
Okay, if you don't like to shake hands with men, please be in a group, and then I want 4 different groups. أبي 5 مجموعات. Okay. بالنسبة للأخوات.
I do, we do, here, we do, you do. Give you loads of learning experiences first, throw it all out there, that's
Okay, this man here is just so bored. These are his notes showing how bored he is. Hello everyone, what does a week of no students look like? I'm going to show you all what we did the whole week without students. Are you ready? Okay, all of these stuff. Those teachers, you would understand what we are dealing with. Teachers around the world, you need to see how we work in KBS. And TAs also, teaching assistants, had these things. This is the structure that we have. And the sample lesson plans. So, you think, can we be ready? Huh? Students are coming next week. Can we be ready? That's our question. Okay, Mr. Mustafa.
Yeah, Mr. Great.
How do you feel? This is the first day that the students are coming.
I don't know how I feel, but like, it's good. It's good to see the kids again.
Are you excited?
I am.
Are you saying the truth?
Yeah, really, but you know, like I hope they're not going to be as naughty as they were, and
So what do you expect?
hopefully they've grown up a little bit than they were. But anyways, yeah.
So this is how we ended up our Thursday. We are currently in, where are we, McDonald's. We are in McDonald's, and my camera is not focusing. Okay, now it's focusing on me. So he is having his favorite chicken and the nuggets. You almost, this is your last piece? That's your last piece? Oh my goodness. You finished everything right away. Are you that hungry? Why? You had your lunch, yeah? So that's his chicken wings. And we have a takeout for daddy. And we have a free ice cream. That's a good thing That's a good thing. That's a nice thing to What am I saying? What am I saying, my love? I don't understand what I'm saying. Yun po, tapos na po ang isang linggong trabaho. So we will be starting on Sunday with the kids. You will be in school on Sunday.
Right.
So we end up our week with McDonald's to reward ourselves to finally finish at least 1 week for second semester.